What's going on? It's Solieka here, and I was with Open Government Investigations and Mass Accountability, and we were in Homestead, and we were fishing this little canal, and it was a really cool canal. They actually had a lot of really unique fish. Like I don't know if they're gonna show up on camera, but I highly doubt it. But we were out open carrying, and yeah, you know how Miami gets. So let's get into it. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Make sure you're paying attention to Sunday. I've got a Sunday live stream that I'm going to be doing. So just be ready this Sunday. That's going to be coming out this Sunday at 10 o'clock. So without further ado, Soliaker, deuces. Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm going to be arrested if I don't go to the front of the path. For what? There's no crime scene. If I walk, we're all freedom of speech. That's what you're about.
No, I'm good. Thanks though. Okay. I appreciate it.
Listen. No, I know I'm familiar with the law. That's okay. I know how the law is, and you guys are fine. Yeah. All I'm saying.
All you're saying is
we received a 911 call.
Okay.
So we have to respond out. You know how.
That's what we're trying to.
Well, you know,
we can't educate callers.
We try to educate everybody.
Well, let's.
You guys are okay? Do you need us for anything?
Dude, I was good. I was just going fishing, man. But it's just weird. Yeah, I would listen to what he has to say, not what you have to say.
Listen, we're not gonna get into an argument.
I'm not arguing with no though.
I'm not asking because I'm reversing it because I see that it is legal. So what I'm saying is, do you guys need us for anything?
No, I'm good. I didn't call you.
And you'll have a great day.
All right, see ya.
Thank you, sir. And I didn't move. I get the call number.
The what?
Case number. Call number.
I did incident.
Okay, sure.
Give me an ID number, please. 102.
What are you carrying? The 17 or the 19?
You got name and ID number? Ray Noto.
As soon as the recording officer gets you, he'll get you a case card.
All right, no worries. Well, we're gonna hop across the street and do some fishing while we wait for that. Is that cool? All right.
Can I get your name and ID?
Absolutely. Ferrer 4530.
Ferrer?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. 4530.
Priority response. Who's on there? Priority response. Lawful activity. Priority response for lawful activity.
Here comes another probably. Nope, that's just a chick.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
We're gonna walk across the street and fish for until they give us the incident.
He told me I had to go in front of the car.
Not a crime scene.
I know. He said if I had time, I would put up tape. Hey, listen, laptop.
Yeah, you do your thing, we're gonna do our thing. Hey, look, a bra. There's a bra over here.
Oh, bro.
Man, somebody's getting their freaky deaky on over here. Well, we know who called. All right, we need to get out of this town. There's another one. Whoa, what was that?
I don't know.
Holy cow. It's probably a gator. Yeah, they got gators up in here, man. Oh, there's one of those fish again. He's right here. There's one right there. I think it's a bass.
Huh? Is that you?
No, that was me, but there's a bass right here. He's sitting right in front of me. Yo. Yeah, whichever one. You can actually give it to him too. He's a that way, yeah.